the sports fishing boats used to dock. You can still go out for party fishing. I believe it's usually 4-hour, 6-hour, 8-hour excursions. Okay, it's about 11:30. The sun is a bit strong. I'm going to put the top back on. Turn the air conditioner on. And I'm going to call it a morning. Let's see. The UV index is 7 out of 10. Let me convert. It's 31 Celsius. Let's convert that to Fahrenheit. So in your head, what you do is 31 to 62 minus 10%. Let's go with 55 plus 32. So that's about 87 degrees. Let's see how accurate I am. 87 degrees, that's what it says. 87 degrees. And the humidity is only 69%, 70%. It says feel like 96 though. Okay, so this, it just says a marina owned by the city. So I'll go to the end. Usually at the end